It's Bamia Daney, President of the Student Nurse Association and from the class of 2021. I'm here to talk to you today about personal protective equipment on campus. Okay, so personal protective equipment is also called PPE, and it will be required on campus. But luckily for us, Marion will be providing a PPE kit to all faculty, staff, and students. What's inside, you ask? Inside, you have 2 Marion branded face masks. These are to protect yourself and those around you. If you prefer your mask a little bit tighter, follow these steps. So first, you're gonna wanna fold your mask in half. Then, take each side and twist around. Place each loop behind each ear. Then fit your mask to your face. And then any part that's sticking out in your mask, tuck it in. So next in our PPE kit is our hand sanitizer. If you do not have access to washing your hands, you can use hand sanitizer, but be sure using hand sanitizer does not replace washing your hands throughout the day. Finally, we have our last item in our PPE kit, our forehead reusable thermometer. There are directions on the back, but for summary, all you have to do is take your reusable thermometer, place it on your forehead, use 2 fingers at the end, and wait for 15 seconds. If you do not see a green dot, your temperature is not in normal range. Oh, one thing, don't forget to download Campus Shield through Google Play or the App Store. Campus Shield has a COVID-19 self-assessment that you will be required to take daily while you're on campus. More information on the self-assessment coming soon. The PPE kits are another way Marion University is ensuring that we're safe during the fall semester. So, on behalf of the Student Nurses Association and Marion University, stay healthy and we'll see you soon.